But I did have some extra fried chicken left over, so packaged them up, and then I'm gonna see if we can go hook some of the homeless out there as a little side quest. Hello? Do you want a fried chicken? No? You good? Okay, man. Do you want fried chicken? Huh? Fried chicken?
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Okay. Take care, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Good day.
You too. Have a good weekend. That was crazy. Hey, you want some fried chicken?
Sure.
Fried chicken, brother? I got a water too.
Okay. Thank you. I just shook your thank you, sir. You all right? You just
Take care.
Just in time too.
Yeah.
I'm thirsty, but I could use a chicken.
Yeah, I'm trying to get more, but I gotta work my way up there. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. I'm not looking at you begging to. I appreciate it. I really actually appreciate it. Sir.
Thank you, bro.
Okay.
I appreciate you too.
Yes, sir.
I'll be back around.
That's what that shows me. You really appreciate what I'm doing too. I'm gonna keep you good out of it.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna put you on the video. All right. So people might see, they might get more motivated.
All right, sir.
All right. Take care, bro. For sure. Hi. Do you want fried chicken? Fried chicken? I have a water too. Do you want a water?
Yes, please.
You take care. Have a good weekend. Yep. Hi. You want fried chicken and a water? Okay. You sure? All right, man. We'll take care though. I got one last fried chicken. Yes. But can you guys share it? And there's a water. It's like 2 pieces and a water. So if y'all can share it, I would have more, but I gave it out already. Oh, yeah. So it's only like 2 pieces and a water. But take care though. Yep. Have a good day.